If you're encountering the Cloud Save error 2025 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check Rockstar server status. Visit the Rockstar Games website or their social media pages to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 5. Relink your Rockstar Social Club account. Log into your Rockstar Social Club account and ensure that it is properly linked to your game. If necessary, unlink and then relink the account to refresh the connection. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.